Having the right dash-cam can mean the difference between peace of mind and endless headaches on the road. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 dash cams. Whether you're a daily commuter, a rideshare driver, or someone who wants 24/7 security, I've got you covered. All links for the best prices are in the description, so let's dive in. Today, as the sun rises over the endless horizon, we honor the ARIFAYZ Q4 Dual Dash Cam, an instrument of clarity for every journey. Since its renewal, its vision has been sharpened from 2K plus 1080p to a brilliant 4K plus 1080p. Like the eagle soaring with a keen eye, the front camera records in 4K 2160p across a broad 160 degrees view, while the rear watches over your path in crisp 1080p across 150 degrees. With built-in 4G Wi-Fi and a guiding app, it connects you to your digital campfire, allowing you to share the tales of your travels. Its compact design, like a humble offering, mounts discreetly behind the rearview mirror, never obstructing your view of Mother Earth. Enhanced night vision, powered by a GCC MOS sensor with f1.5 aperture and WDR, ensures that darkness reveals no mystery. A vigilant 24-hour parking mode, loop recording, voice commands, and ample storage come together, echoing the wisdom of our ancestors to protect and guide you on every road. Under the vast sky, the VIOFO, a 229-plus dash cam, stands as a modern guardian, drawing on the strength of dual Sony Starvis, 2 sensors. Like the 2 watchful guardians of our tribe, its front and rear lenses work in harmony to capture every detail. Recording in 1440p with HDR, this device mirrors the clarity of a river under moonlight, even in the swift dance of fast-moving scenes. License plates and road signs are rendered with the precision of ancestral lore. With 12 voice commands echoing the call of the wild, it lets you speak your intent without distraction. A sophisticated quad mode, GPS module weaves location, speed, and time into the tapestry of your journey. Enhanced by an upgraded 5G's Wi-Fi connection, this dashcam connects you swiftly to the digital realm, ensuring that every moment is shared with the ease of a storyteller. 3 heartfelt parking mode options safeguard your resting place, providing continuous watch over your cherished chariot. Embrace the journey with a spirit as free as the wind. As the horizon beckons, the OVAMAN K600 dash cam stands ready to document your every mile, like a wise elder recording the lore of the land. Its dual recording gifts the front with majestic 4K at 3840 x 2160p and the rear with faithful 1080p clarity, ensuring that every twist and turn is embraced by its watchful eye. The generous 3.59-inch IPS screen offers a clear window into your journey, much like a sacred mirror reflecting the beauty of nature. With built-in GPS, it charts your path, marking the trails and landmarks like ancient maps passed down through generations. The front's 170 degrees wide-angle lens, coupled with a 150 degrees view from the rear, minimizes blind spots, as if guided by the spirits of the open road. Advanced night vision, akin to the steady glow of a campfire, ensures that even in the darkness, your path remains clear. Seamlessly linked to your smartphone through 5G Wi-Fi, this guardian of the road stands ever ready, recording, protecting, and sharing your story day and night with a vigilant 24/7 parking mode. In the spirit of the circle of life, the ROVE R24K Dual Dash Cam watches over your journey from every angle. As the front camera records in majestic 4K 2160p and the rear in steady 1080p, each frame becomes a part of the sacred narrative of your travels. With a wide, open view, 150 degrees at the front and 140 degrees behind, this dashcam captures the full panorama of the road, much like the endless plains that stretch beneath the sky. A Sony Starvis 2 sensor grants it the power to shine even when night falls, with f1.5 and f1.8 apertures capturing light as faithfully as the morning sun. The upgraded 5G's Wi-Fi offers a fast, flowing connection to the digital world, so you can share your story at speeds that honor the swift spirit of the wind. The integrated GPS maps your route with precision, etching your path into the collective memory of the land. And with vigilant features like loop recording, G-sensor alerts, and a 24/7 parking mode, the ROVE R24KD UIL stands as a steadfast guardian on every journey. At last, we honor the REDTIGER F7 NP-COM, a warrior crafted to capture the essence of every drive. With dual recording 4K for the front and 1080p for the rear, its vision is as sharp as the hawk's, capturing the details of every road sign and license plate. The F7NP's wide-angle lenses, at 170 degrees in the front and 140 degrees at the rear, leave no part of the landscape unseen. Enhanced by an ultra-large phone, 5 aperture and advanced HDR/WDR, it transforms the darkness into a canvas of clarity, much like the gentle glow of twilight. With Wi-Fi and an intuitive app, it connects you to your digital fire circle, letting you review, share, and edit your journey with ease. Its built-in GPS logs every mile, echoing the footsteps of those who came before. As loop recording and a sensitive G-sensor work in harmony to protect your path, and a steadfast 24-hour parking monitor keeps vigil, the REDTIGER F7 NP becomes a true companion, ensuring that your journey is heard, recorded, and celebrated as sacred as the land beneath your wheels. So there you have it, 5 dash cams for every need and budget. Smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. All links are in the description. Prices change daily, so grab yours before deals vanish. Drive safe, and see you next time.